this video I will show you how to set job alerts in LinkedIn. So for this I am here in LinkedIn feed. So first of all, log into your account. Then here on the top we have jobs option. Click on it. So once you click, you will be directed to this page here. Now in left side we have few options like find jobs with AI, then my jobs, then preferences, my career insights, and job seeker guidance. So here we will go with preferences. And here we have my interest, so open to work. Then we have job alerts, and then we have internal jobs. So our concern is with job alerts, so I will go with this one here. So now here you can manage your job alerts, so of which job you want to get alerts. So if you want to edit it, you can click on this pencil icon, and from here you can edit it. Like which type of notification do you want? You want email notifications or email and notification, and alert frequency daily or weekly. So we want daily alerts here, and then click on save. So now preferences set, then click on done, and now job alerts are set. So in this way you can set job alerts in LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.